everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 23rd. It's almost Christmas and I have a few presents. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap one of the presents. Let's see what this is. I'm excited. It's a small package. It's a tiny package. It's a tiny package. Let's see what's inside. Is it Coney? Is that Coney?
It's Coney!
Oh my lord. Let's see what else. Another Coney? Another Coney! It's, oh my lord. So I have brown and now I have Coney. So we have brown and Coney. First, let me just go ahead and unbox this one. This one is from my sister. Let's see what we got in here. And I really like this little snowman. And I like the wrapping. It's cute wrapping. Oh, I knew it. It's a pair of slippers. Cozy slippers. I knew it. I can pair of slippers. Ooh, look at this. Nice and warm. Okay. Cool. Okay, so next, let me unwrap this one. So this one is from Eddie Bear. Let's see what's inside. Excited. Let's see what's inside this box. Let's see what's inside. I'm a little bit excited. It's something. Oh my lord. So this is the shark. Baby shark. It's baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. You know what? Baby shark. That's me. This is so adorable. This is a long gift. Let's see. Nice. Oh, I love it. This is a nice yoga mat. Oh, I love these colors too. The combination of gray and yellow. Such a nice yoga mat. Ooh, nice. And I like how they have this to hold the yoga mat. This bag.